and today I am showing you how to get uh, Quick Labs and Google Cloud Skill Base for a free. So welcome to the yet another video of No More. So this is the offer from Google Cloud and the Quick Lab collaboration. It's a Christmas offer. As you see the Christmas tree and the surprises and the editing of this page. So this is the Christmas offer they give you. So this is the promotional page of the course. So those who don't know what is the Quick Lab, so I give you explanation. The Quick Lab is a platform from where you can learn Google Cloud very well. So here is the 10 of our favorite free Google Cloud trainings. So it's a most wonderful time to the year. Build your training and certification. Start your Kubernetes journey. First is the start your Kubernetes journey. This is 100 by 13 get unlimited access for 13 days. So its last date is 31st December. So you can learn how to configure Docker images and containers. So deploy fully fledged Kubernetes engine and applications. Create your Kubernetes solutions like building Slack bots with Node.js and deploying game servers on clusters. So that's all guys. Here I am showing you how to get it for a free. So let's get started. So here is the Google Cloud site. So from where you can register or claim this course for a free. So see this register below, receive a free hands-on training. So Quick Labs, on Quick Labs platform you have the labs which you have to perform for learn the Google Cloud completely. So you have to fill your name, last name, business name, so email, job title, job role. So job title means student, job role, education or whatever you want to enter, business mobile number, your mobile number, country, and fill yes and submit it. So after submitting this form you receive a mail from the Google Cloud. So I will show you. So you will receive this type of mail. So from there you can access your course. So first of all you have to follow this link. So click on this and this link redirect to the Quick Labs. So copy this code, copy the code and enroll the skill batch which you have to learn or which you have to perform. So first of all go to the first one, enroll. So you can see this type of page, or else if you have don't account, you first of all you have to make your account on the Quick Labs. It's so simple that to make an account just go there and sign up with your mail ID, and after go to this page and enroll that. So only you have to paste this code and complete the captcha and submit it. So I have already completed this batch. So this show me the quest is completed. So you can find this type of labs here. You have to perform each lab. So see this is a 1 credit. So if you have not free, you have to spend 1 credit on this. So 1 credit on these two, 1 credit on these two. So whole lab have 13 credits. So you have to spend 13 credits to learn this skill batch. So it's a free for a month. So see how many skill batch are here. So manage Google Cloud resources, foundational infrastructure, setup, configure the Google Cloud environments, deploy environments, build secure networks, deploy Kubernetes. So and if you want to learn to data and machine learning, then foundational data, ML and AI, insight from data with BigQuery, explore machine learning models with explainable AI, automated interaction with contact center AI, engineer data in Google Cloud, integrated with machine learning APIs. So it's learn about APIs, application development. So build an interactive apps, build a website on Google Cloud, build and manage API with API. So it's very nice and free. So I wish and I hope you all get the free course from this. So this is the Christmas offer from the Google Cloud and the Quick Labs. So I hope you can enroll this and try these ones. So I give you links in the description box, so check it out once. So thank you. This is Divya Shah signing off. See you in the next video. Till then, stay safe.